Hey there, we are going to unbox the Bosch 108-in-1 multifunction household toolkit. So before that, let us check the content label on the back of the box. Going through the contents quickly. Please pause the video to check the sizes of screwdriver bits, precision bits, drill bits, screws, double plugs. So the MRP of this product is 2900. You can get this with additional discounts from Flipkart and Amazon. So now let us open the box. So here is the user manual for the Bosch toolkit. This one is the ratchet hand screwdriver with multiple functions. Then we have precision bits, screw bits, sockets. So it also includes double plugs and screws and drills. Drill is not included. That is a saw, handsaw. Now let's see the different contents. It has one measuring tape, one cutter, one wrench, one torchlight, one flat nose plier, one combination plier, one hammer, one electro probe, 30 screws, 30 double plugs, 8 Allen keys, machining drill bit 3, adapter 1, handsaw 1, socket 6, insulation tape, ratchet hand screwdriver, screwdriver bit 10, precision bit 8. So let's start with the handsaw. You can change the direction of the saw teeth when not in use. So here are the drill bits of sizes 5, 6 and 8. This one is the ratchet hand screwdriver. It has fixed clockwise and anti-clockwise movements for easy application. So this is the screw bits. We have the Phillips slotted hex and Torx screwdrivers. This one is the precision screwdrivers. We need an adapter for using this with a ratchet hand screwdriver. First you have to insert the adapter, then the precision screw bits. Okay, now let us put the precision bits back in its slot. Now let us see the sockets. So here are the sockets from size 5 to 10. It needs an adapter. Just showing you how to use the sockets. Okay, putting it back. That's it with the ratchet hand screwdriver. These are the Allen keys for invert hex screws, sizes from 1.5 to 6. Then we have the insulation tape, 10 meter long. This is a silica gel. I use it as a desiccant to protect the tools. Now these are the screws. We have the double plugs. Total 30 screws and 30 double plugs. Okay. Next one is the electro probe, that is the electric tester. The light in the tester is also replaceable. Here is the manual for the electro probe. Okay, let's put it back. Now this is the manual for the toolkit. We have already seen it. Okay. This one is the measuring tape. It is retractable. It also has 2 locks. It's about 3 meter long. Now comes the tool which I like the most in this toolkit. The claw hammer. It's strong and heavy. Nail remover. Okay, now comes the cutter. It is adjustable. This is the manual for the cutter. It also has lock. Next one is the torch. It needs 3 AAA batteries. Okay, I will demonstrate the brightness of this torch. It's bright enough for all applications. Can see it. Okay, I suggest you to remove the batteries if the torch is not in use for a long time. So next comes the adjustable wrench. Now comes the combination plier for cutting, gripping and bending. And the last one, flat nose plier for cutting, gripping. Okay, so that was the unboxing of the Bosch DIY 108 toolkit. Hope this video was helpful. Peace.